In this video, I will show you how to set up Photon Wallet. To do this, first just go to their website, which is Photon Sol, and from there what you need to have is Phantom as the extension where you are signed in. Now if you don't have that, then it won't show this button right here that says Connect Wallet. So make sure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed, and then here click Connect Wallet. Then from there click on Connect. And then now it will connect after you click confirm your Photon wallet to Phantom. From there you're going to click on generate, and then you can get your private key by sliding this, and then you can just save the private key. And then from there you can see your Photon wallet has 0 Sol, so you can then deposit some Solana by copying the wallet address. Then just go to Phantom, from there click send, and if you have it, select Solana, and then here just enter the address and then the amount, and then click next and send, and then it will be sent to Photon. Now from there click check balance, and then if you have above 0 you can then get started with Photon. So that's how to set up Photon wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.